back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I have not filmed one of these before actually in a very long time. So yeah, I'm currently on holiday in Tunisia and me and my sister are going to go out. So I've done my brows already. I need to do my skincare because my skin is doing a madness. So let's get to it. We're going to tag the products down below that I use with the links, so then it's easy for you guys to grab a hold of them. I have to put a clip in because this is, why do they only put buttons like halfway down? Like, I need them at the top, man. I've done my hair. It looks a bit crazy right now because I pinned this curl up, but I've just done a half up, half down, and then it's just, this is like the hair that's going to be out. I'm just going to spray some Mario Badescu. I feel like I just ate that. And maybe moisturiser because my skin really needs some moisture. This is the first glam of the holiday, and normally I like film TikTok like videos where I'm like get ready with me, but I thought let me film one for YouTube because I've just not done that yet. So yeah, I've not carved the top of my brows because I had to do my skincare first before I can do that. And with some SPF, and please don't mind my makeup, it is a little bit dirty, but because it's just been in my makeup bag. I've literally laid my outfit out, like back there. I don't know if you can see. I've literally laid it out and I'm really excited to wear this outfit. But it's literally so chilly in Tunisia, but it's better than the UK. Like, it's fully snowing right now. So anything is better than snow. And it's Zainab, it's fully snowing. Zainab does her makeup so fast, like, I'm like here like la-di-da-di-da, and she's like, I'm done.
Always.
That's fine, but
then I take these in my bag again.
Even if you take them in your bag, you can't fit the heels back on holiday. I just generally feel so tired all the time, and there's no reason for me to feel tired. I've done absolutely nothing with my day so far. Jokes, I actually woke up so early. Like, when I'm on holiday, I wake up so early. But yeah, I'm just going to go with this Iconic London brow pen. It has like a very fine tip, and I'm just going to fill in the part where I cut off my eyebrow. I'm gonna go in for some concealer on my eyelids to do like a lot of makeup. I'm gonna try to avoid putting makeup on my eyelashes. It's so hard not to do that though when you have lash extensions on. We're literally, obviously because we're in Tunisia, like everybody literally speaks in French, and like they start speaking to us in French, like I have no idea like what they're saying because I don't speak any French. I can just say bonjour and like ask people's names in French class in school, basically. Okay, so I've just done that now. I'm just trying to make sure that I have set it properly. I'm just going to set with some Huda Beauty because I can't find my pressed powder for some reason. Every time I go to a different country, I just always miss going to Turkey, and I don't know why. Like, I literally love Turkey weather. So Tunisia is a lot different to Turkey. Like, it kind of looks similar in the sense of like how the buildings look, like, kind of. I'm gonna use this Kali bybel palette. This is what it looks like. I always take this palette with me on holidays because it's such a good palette. It has like everything that you need, like all the like neutral shadows and then all the fanciest shadows if you want to use them. I'm just gonna put some brown through my crease really. I've been literally asking you guys on like my socials like where we should go, and like so many people have given so many suggestions, and so many guys have actually been to Tunisia, which is so cool. But this is mine and Zainab's first time, and this is our second sister holiday where it's just me and Zainab, and so far so good. We actually came for Zainab's birthday. Basically we wanted to go to Morocco, but like I don't know how, like I've never been to Morocco before, so and a lot of my friends that have been there, like so many people say it's really good, and I don't doubt that it's really good. Also, I'm using LA concealer. I don't even know what shade this is in. Like, oh, I found it, peach. It's just a peach corrector, and I use the peach one instead of the orange one because it just
the first time we go has to be with our dad because, or your husband, because I ain't gonna go without mine.
Oh yeah, like I feel like I don't want to go without a man yet because I want to, like, I don't know, like I feel like in Turkey, like yeah they pull you into your shop, in the shops and stuff, but I've heard like this Morocco is much worse. But I really do want to go to Morocco. It looks so nice, and so many people are there right now because it's really warm there. It's like 12 degrees out here, so we basically went from England to another England, is how it feels. But it doesn't look like that. Like, the view from the window is so good. I'm gonna show you guys after like I've done my makeup, like what it looks like. I'll probably be vlogging like what we do today, hopefully. Zainab, you need to force me to vlog because I get too shy.
I love it.
Really? Okay, fantastic. I get too shy. Foundation in this shade. So many of you guys asked me what I use, so gotta get that in for you guys. I really like this foundation colour. It's like matches me really well. Skin tinting. Off the bottle is literally oxidizing and it looks so disgusting, but I love the skin tint. It's so good. It's just the perfect colour. Sorry, Zayn, I've got foundation in your pyjamas. Maybe that's the worst way to apply foundation. Don't do that.
What did you do?
I just like drop it on my skin like that.
I'll put it on.
Oh, I hate doing that because then it, like, I don't have the foundation brush to paint it on with, so that's why I just do this instead. I'm using the WithUns brushes. I'm thinking to like put these as pre-orders because so many people ask me like to buy them, but we've like sold out of them. But I love it. Like, all my brushes on holiday are always WithUns brushes, and I always use the travel case still. Even Zainab, yours are all WithUns. We worked at this hotel. It looked not as similar as to what it looks to like on the EasyJet website, because we booked through EasyJet. I always book my package holidays when it's like on a budget through EasyJet because they just do them so nice, and like I've never really had an issue with them. So now I'm using this Plouise in Toffee Toast, and I just put it wherever I normally contour. But yeah, we booked with EasyJet, and then I forgot what I was saying. I actually just completely forgot what I was saying. I'm going to take this onto my eye a little bit because I want the bronzer to bronze. Like, you know, I want it to bronze and attach. I always blend out my contour so messily because I do it before concealer. Anyway, for my birthday I so want to go to Turkey again, and I would love to like spend it in like Istanbul or something, or maybe even go Marrakesh. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Or maybe just not go for a holiday. Like, just not go for a holiday. I don't know. It's the blush I'm using. Great.
Yeah, because it's really picture.
Huh? Yeah, there's like a door that connects the rooms, but it's like locked off, which is so funny. Ooh, that really hurt. Also got my nails done. I got like these glazed donut nails on, like shellac, not shellac, sorry, bybel. And she knitted them for me. She did them so nice on my natural nails because I didn't want to get acrylic. I always rip, like, what is it with me and ripping my nails off? I literally end up ripping them off all the time. This concealer here. And just like conceal all of it. I just put so much concealer on all the time. That we're going to is like 5-minute walk from the hotel. Hey, you want to go for lunch there?
Yeah.
I hope there's, I know that people are going to be like, you know, when they do it to the tourists and they pull you into the shop. I hate that so much. Like, if I wanted to buy, I would buy. Leave me alone. Also, I'm using the WithUns sponge, if you guys are wondering. I love this sponge so much. It's like the best sponge in the world. It's so soft and it just blends like a dream. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the concealer that I'm using, so let me just quickly show. H&B concealer, this is the shade that we're using. And this is like my holiday glam. Like, this is what I do whenever I do my holiday makeup. Our hotel has shisha inside, which I absolutely love, because like sometimes you can't be asked to go all the way to like a shisha lounge. If you want. With Huda Beauty, use this as both a pressed powder and baking powder. I always use pressed powder first, but it's fine. It's here somewhere, probably in my bag, pressed powder. A crazy woman whenever I break, but then at least you know that you're doing it right. It's like kind of shiny. I just mattify it with the powder, to be honest. But yeah, I used the shade Pancake, by the way. If you guys were wondering, a very pink blush, because I love pink blush. So I'm just gonna take this pink honey blush in this shade. I go right on top of my cheekbones, like there. I just think that's like the perfect blush colour for me. Like, focus is like on the top though. I know it looks really harsh, but just trust the process. I'm just gonna use bronzer. I just take the same brush and just lip pencil from bybel in chocolate. Pat this bake away whilst I wait, but then I have to just bring me that lipstick. Yes, I always pat my bake and never brush it away, and I don't know why, but it just works better for me and it's less cakey. Yeah, put it in my lid a little bit, because I've not really done much on my makeup today because I want my lashes to really last me. Zainab was supposed to bring her lash stuff with us, but we forgot for her to bring it, but she did my lashes like a few hours before the flight, literally. So I'm glad I didn't actually wear makeup yesterday, because then they really have set on my eyes, if you know what I mean. We need to highlight, but I'm waiting for Zainab to bring me the lipstick. Zainab!
1 second. I use that on your ready.
Oh, really?
I know.
Got some highlight on my nose. This is like my favourite part of makeup. Just add a bit on my cheekbones, not too much. I'm gonna open the curl now because I think that's my makeup done. I'm not gonna like stays. Oh, that is very curly. Okay, so this is my makeup. I need to put earrings in, definitely. So happy with my lashes this time because I just feel like I much prefer lighter lashes right now. Don't know why, but I just do. I'm just gonna add like a beauty mark. Yeah. And there. This is my finished makeup. I'm gonna get changed now. If you guys want to watch me get dressed, then go to my TikTok, so watch my vlog on here. But look, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get ready on holiday. I'm so lethargic, so if I sound tired, that's probably why. But make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'm definitely going to bring you guys more YouTube videos, and maybe me and Zainab will film a YouTube video if she says yeah. Let me know what you want to see me post, and I'm so sorry, like I literally have messed Zainab's pajamas up, so I'm really sorry, Zainab, but doing makeup is messy sometimes. But yeah, but I'll see you guys soon. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and follow my socials. Did I just say subscribes? Yeah, subscribes, and follow my socials. I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll leave it down below the inbox, in the drop down below, and I'll leave all the products there too. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.